Hello again, Honda aficionados that like cartoons at the same time. This is the Honda TN360, which is a K-Class truck. It's literally powered by a 360cc engine, so that's a tiny engine. Most motorcycles have bigger engines than that. This is a relatively new 2007. I've never seen this packaging before. And what? Oh, I think this may have come on the top of a soda bottle or something. Maybe this is a free promo item. Officially licensed. Maybe it's like something that Honda gave away to people at an event or actually at their dealerships. I mean, why else would that be there? What do you think? I'm gonna open this. I'm curious what's going on. There's some text on the inside. So, oh, let's see. This thing folds open. I mean, that's interesting. Why would they make a separate cardboard piece? Why is that so important? Why wouldn't they just print that on this? Well, mysteries of collecting toys. So let's see. This thing was produced between 1967 and 1977, and that little engine is only a 2-cylinder engine, and I think it made around 30 horsepower or something like that. So I'm not going to be ruining any races unless you're racing someone in a wheelchair. Okay. And there's a rear view. Okay. Well, let's take a look. This blue, this sky blue, it's not metallic or anything like that, but it's still very nice. It's very shiny. A really nice clear coat going on or whatever. Maybe this is raw paint, but it's really smooth. Like, better than most die-cast cars. The reflection of this pick is pretty sharp. Look at that. That's amazing. This is covering up a wind-up motor. This is a wind-up toy if you don't know what Choro-Qs are. Clear headlights. I think this whole body is one clear piece of plastic and they painted everything else. Orange here. This weird Honda logo. It's huge. This grill is really nicely done. It's got the silver paint in it. I don't know if there's black inside of it. This might actually be a separate piece. It's so well done. I think it might be a separate inserted piece. This casted in bumpers painted silver. Opening here, yeah, and there, alright. And then some tie-down details, latch details. No tail lights though. It should be right here, a little red. There's some silver around this rear window, and there's some horizontal lines molded in. Even this tiny little break in the window, they've got the blue on there nicely. Some vent details, tiny door handle impression. I don't think I've ever seen these wheels before either. These are actually, I think, accurate to certain TN360s. That first image is hard to see, but I think these are accurate to those wheels. It might be missing a few bolts, though, or not. Actually, there's 4 raised and 4 lowered, so maybe that is correct. It's probably a 2-piece wheel that's bolted together. Alright, so it says the date there, and it's a standard construction. I'm not even going to modify this one. I'm going to leave it just the way it is. The riding stance is actually pretty good for a truck, so that's actually probably lower than it should be. And then the wheels are unique to this casting, so I like it. I do find it odd that there wouldn't be a sticker here saying Honda or TN360. Oh well, but the front end is really nice. Alright, let's go look at a couple other models then. So I don't have a K-Class, old K-Class truck, but here's the Honda 360. So this is a 360cc K-Class car of its day. And then here's a Mini GT Defender 90, which isn't a necessarily large pickup truck these days. And then just to let you know, the parent company of ChoroQ is Tooned. Tooned has a line of 1/150 scale cars, so this is a 1/150 scale TN360. It's a different year though, because it's got these stacked headlights. It's amazingly detailed for, you know, something this small. It's quite nice. They don't have interiors, but this actually comes off, but I have some sticky putty holding it down. I mean, look at the light details printed on there. It's crazy. So it's for like model railroading and stuff. They have a whole line of stuff in 1/150. They literally sell buildings and people and all that stuff. I'm gonna put this up in the bed here. Alright, so here's the top-down view. Alright, let's get these two out. And let's get some ChoroQs. Alright, so I have the N360 now in ChoroQ form. That actually came with a bottle of shampoo. Strange stuff. And then we have the first Honda Civic, I think. And this is a ChoroQ Kodawari. For trucks, I have a Land Cruiser, an FJ40, I think. And then this is a Toyo Ace PK30. I think it's a bigger truck. It's not a K-class truck, but ChoroQs tend to be around the same size because they all have the same spring motor. So that's what keeps them all the same, no matter how big or small the real vehicle is in real life. Alright. So, not bad. I think the only thing really lacking, it would have been nice to have some red taillights. But I think I'd rather have the unique wheels than red taillights. So, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Alright, well, thanks for watching again. I'll see you the next time I get a ChoroQ, which will obviously be tomorrow. Alright, bye.